Yesterday I have done a program and I have shared the program with you. Did you practice that? Upcasting, downcasting program. Did you practice that? You have to practice. It is very, very important. Observe now. I will again tell you what is the major advantage of what do you tell me? This one, typecasting. Okay. One major advantage of typecasting, what is that you know? I will tell you one by one. Yesterday I have already told you. I will redefine in a very simple line. See, one accountant is sitting in the bank. Okay, na? He is the accountant. He is sitting in the bank. It is a table. Chair. This fellow is sitting here, accountant. Okay. He is the other on the other side of the chair. Who is there? The person who came for repayment of clearing his loan. So this accountant has to process the payment. Try to understand. Now what is this accountant do? What is this accountant do? Observe very carefully. He will ask the person who came for repayment of the loan. Brother, how much is the loan amount? Then he says that I have a loan amount of 2000 rupees. I have a loan amount of what you tell me? 2000 rupees. So now listen, observe very carefully. Advantage is what you know. Please observe now. This person is there no accountant. This person is there no accountant. Accountant will ask, okay, give 2000 rupees. Give 2000 rupees. I will process the payment. I will process your payment and I will make you are free from the loan. Do you understand now? You pay the money. Okay, now I will process your loan amount and I will say that, okay, what is that you tell me? Your loan is repaid. Okay, now there are four options. See, if that person who came here to clear the loan, if he says that, brother, I have 2000 rupees cash, that means this accountant should able to accept the cash money and he able to finish the process payment. Yes or no? We cannot expect no. Some people, those who comes to bank for repaying the loan and all, so they may bring cash also. That means accountant has to accept the cash. Accountant has, oh, you are paying cash. Hey, I will not take your loan amount recovery. Go back. Will any bank says like that? No, definitely they will never say. So imagine that if he says that, hey, I don't have cash and all. I have UPI, phone pay and all I will use. Will you take the repayment of the money? That means what? Accountant has to accept if it is a UPI mode of transaction also. Yes or no? Then he has to process the payment saying that, okay, this person has cleared his account, what's that? Loan amount. Suppose if he says that, no, I do not have both of this, I have net banking. I have what to tell me? Net banking. With this net banking, I want to repay my loan. So that means what? Accountant has to accept this net banking option also. And if he says that, no, I have a check. Okay, I have a check with me. Please accept my check and clear my loan. That means bank accountant should able to accept check type and he should able to finish the process payment or not. Yes or no? Now the point is, it is the design concept. It is the design concept. Means what? The account class, in the account class, whatever the method you have, process payment method. This is what method, assume like this. This is what class. Observe very carefully. In the accountant class, process payment is there. No? This should accept the objects of cash also. This method should accept the objects of UPI class also. This should accept the objects of net banking class also. This should accept the objects of check also. If someone says that I have demand draft, I have DD. You know that DD and all. If you know more about bank related, you can understand that. I have a DD demand draft. I will pay you this much amount. Please mark my process that repaid. Is it clear now? So it means what? Process payment should able to accept the DDs also. It should accept check also. It should accept net banking, UPI, cash, whatsoever it is. Some people will use credit card to clear their loan. It should accept even if it is credit card also. Do you understand now? So the point is what? This process payment should accept any type of objects here. Is it clear now? So for this, what do you tell me? Feature only, what we will do? We will do upcasting. For all these DD format, cash format, UPI format, net banking, check, for all these classes, I will create a superclass called payment. I will create a superclass called what do you tell me? Payment. DD extends payment, cash extends payment, UPI extends payment, net banking extends payment, check extends payment. Now, in the process payment, I will pass payment type of object. Problem solved now. So, payment can accept DD also, cash also, UPI also, net banking also, check also. So, because of this feature, do you understand now? See means what? You are designing a single method which will accept multiple types of objects. No sir, I don't want upcasting. If you don't want upcasting means you should write separate process payment method for DD. One more process payment method for cash. One more process payment method for UPI, net banking, check. All these things you have to do. That means overloading will happen. Instead of you can finish it within 1 hour, like 7 to 8 lines, will go beyond 4 or 5 times more. So to avoid it, what people came, so they can upcast it to one similar type, then this can accept all that types. This is what one real time example. And one more thing, in future you will understand, but now I will tell you. Collection concept I am going to talk now. Imagine I create a list. List of which type? List of example I will tell you. UPI payment. UPI payment list is equals to new array list. Array list. Imagine I have created this one. Sir, what is it? It is a collection. You don't have to worry. Too much thinking not required. It's very simple. Collection is nothing but it is a chain of continuous memory blocks like this. So when I declare this array, which type? UPI payment type. Meaning is what? It will accept only UPI objects. UPI payment object, UPI payment object, UPI payment object. So in this list, you can add only what you tell me? UPI payment object. Suddenly, no, UPI payment and cash payment is finally payment only now. So cash payment is one more object. Assume like this, cash payment is one more object. You want to add this object here. See, this is UPI object, this is UPI payment object, this is UPI payment object, and this is what automatically cash payment object. Can I store like this? No. Why sir? Because this list will accept only which type of objects? UPI objects. If you try to add other objects into the list, it will say no, I will not accept another type of objects because it is a generic. So what is that? Specific type. Specific type is what? Only it will accept UPI payment. Now my request is what? My requirement is what? I want one list. If you declare here UPI payment, it will accept only UPI payment objects. If you write here cash payment, it will accept only cash payment objects. If you write here credit card payment, it will accept only credit card payment objects. If you write here check, it will accept only check payments. But my requirement is what? I want one list. I want to make one list where I can store UPI objects also, where I can store cash objects also, where I can store net banking objects also, where I can store DD objects also, where I can store another check whatsoever objects also. Now in one list, I want to store different types of data. This is cash type, UPI type, net banking, credit card, check, DD, different objects I want to store it in one list. Then it will be a problem. At that time I will do upcasting process. Upcasting means what? For all these subclasses I will create a superclass called what? Tell me? payment. You understood, right? If I write UPI payment, this list will accept only UPI payment. That's why what I do, instead of writing UPI payment, I will just write payment. If I write payment means this list can accept all the types of payments. You can put UPI objects also. You can put cash objects also. You can put credit card objects also. Net banking objects also. Check objects also. DD objects also. Anything. Is it clear now? So this is what heterogeneous property. Homogeneous property means what? Only one type of data is stored. But heterogeneous property means what? Different types of data is stored. Homogeneous means what? Suppose if I write here UPI payment, meaning it will accept only UPI objects. That is homogeneous. If I write here instead of UPI, if I write here cash, okay, now if I write here cash payment means what? It will accept only cash objects. They are homogeneous. If it is UPI, every object should be UPI. Other you cannot store. But if I write just payment, means it will accept all different types of objects. UPI objects also, all other types of objects also, which are all subclass type of the payment. They should be what? Subclass of the type payment. Otherwise, it will not accept. This is the main reason why we will be using upcasting and downcasting in future. In collections, we will be using. In designing, design level, we will be using all these things. Is it clear now? Did you understand? That is why we will be using upcasting and downcasting. Again, tomorrow, if you come and ask me, sir, what is upcasting? I will kill you. What is upcasting? Converting subclass object to look like superclass object, where subclass properties are hidden, only superclass properties are visible. Okay, done. Already 200 page over, 200 pages now. Still OOPS concepts only not covered. Okay, observe now everyone, listen. Yesterday I was talking about upcasting and downcasting. Is it clear now? Dog extends animal, cat extends animal, like this and all. Okay, observe very carefully. Okay, these are all things I will remove. Just give me a minute. Delete also. Okay. Shall I continue now? Are you guys ready now? Some of you are typing here. Listen very carefully. Here we go. What I do is I will create like this. Animal A is equals to new dog. Can I write like this? Any doubts in this? What is happening? Upcasting. Is it implicit upcasting or explicit upcasting? Explicita or implicita? Huh? I or E? I, implicit it is. We are not writing within the bracket animal here. It is implicitly happening. Now, downcasting means what? Converting back already upcasted object. Now, what I will do is, observe now, cat C is equals to, what is the object? A. Correct? A is the object, right? I will downcast it to cat type. Cat of A. If you observe very carefully, upcasting can we upcast dog type to animal type or not? Yes. Can I downcast animal to dog or not? Yes. Can I downcast animal to cat or not? Yes. Now what I have done, I have downcasted A object to cat, but there is a problem. What is the problem? What here A is there? No, A. Here A reference is storing which object? Dog object. If you downcast it, you have to downcast it to dog type only, na? Yes or no? So, but we are downcasting it to what? Cat type. So, here you will get class cast exception. Casting. That's what we are telling you, no? Casting, type casting, class casting. So, you will get class cast exception. What is that and all? I will show you. Run the program. So, here you are going to get one exception. What is that, you see? What is the name of this exception? Class cast exception. What is that? Dog cannot be cast to cat. Dog cannot be cast to cat. Object is actually created for which class? Dog class. Now that A is actually having the object of dog type only. That you are downcasting it to cat. Not possible. Dog, cat, they are independent. But dog animal, cat animal, they are dependent. Is it no? So in such case, if you try to change the casting from one different class to another different class, they are not dependent, they are independent. At that time you will get what? Tell me. Class cast exception. Is it clear now? Did you understand, everyone? This also I had to tell you this, so that is the main reason. I will copy this. Okay, this program I have already written. If you try to cast a class to another independent class type, then we get class cast exception. Okay, after the what is this class, you can try this one, what is happening. Okay, everything and all, this is one important error. Okay, now if you have any doubts, you can ask me here now. Casting all the points, did you revise that? Casting all the points, did you revise that? Okay, good, superb, done. Now we will understand covariant or covariant return type of a method in method overriding. What is covariant return type of a method in method overriding? This we are going to understand. Covariant. What is covariant and all now? Okay, let's get back to our program. Cat anyhow extra it is there. I'll remove this. This also I'll remove. You may get confused, that's why extra things whatever it is there, that I am removing. So is it method, observe animal class and dog class, try to understand. Is it method overriding or method overloading? Method overriding or method overloading? Overriding. You know it. What is method overriding says? What is the important point that method overriding says? Method name must be same and arguments must be same. Full method signature should be same, they are going to tell. Of course, observe now. First point I will tell you one by one. What is that first point? What is that first point? Here it is. Method. Already I have told you. All these things. For your understanding, I am just writing once again. It's like a revision. Okay. Method overriding must maintain same method signature in the subclasses. Correct? Method overriding must maintain the same method signature in the subclasses. We all know it. Okay. Now after this, let us talk about access modifiers. Access modifier. In overriding, I am talking about access modifier. In overriding method, you can increase or can maintain same visibility level of the method. Access modifier, what is that? What is that pointer? In overriding method, superclass is having one method and subclass is overriding that, correct now? What did we say? Okay, let's get back to here, I'll talk. So if it is public means here also it should be public. Do you understand now? If you suddenly write here private, observe now, here if you suddenly write what tell me private, automatically you are going to get error. I told you or not this one. So please observe now, once again I'll repeat this slowly. In overriding method, you can increase, this is very important, you can increase the visibility or you can maintain the same visibility. What is that, sir? See, if superclass is having public, you have to provide the same level of visibility or you can give higher visibility than public. Is there any higher visibility than public? Is there any higher visibility than public? No. That's why we cannot do anything. We cannot change access modifier here. Okay now. Superclass is having default access modifier and here also we have to maintain default now. Here also I have to maintain default or not? But I will write private. Are we getting error or not? Why we are getting error? Visibility is reducing. That is the problem. Superclass visibility is what? Superclass method what it is there, and that visibility is what? Default. Default means what? Package level. But in the overriding you are changing it to private. What is that? Class level. So you are reducing the visibility. That causes error here. Okay? We are getting the error. But sir, if I maintain the same visibility, will I get error? No. But if I increase the visibility, will I get error? No. You can increase the visibility, but you should not decrease. Increase means what? Can I make it public? Yes. There is no problem. Can I make it default? Yes. There is no problem. Can I reduce the visibility private like this? Problem. Can I make it as protected? Protected. Do you know hierarchy? Do you know which access modifier is having highest visibility? Public. After that, which is having protected? Means protected members you can use outside the package also. That is what the visibility now. But you should have what? Inheritance. That it should be there. Okay now. So highest visibility is what? Public. Just below that lowest middle means just below highest is what? Protected. Below protected is what? Default. Below default is what? Private. So now what I am doing, this is default and this is protected. So I am increasing the visibility. Will I get any error? No. Did you understand now? Is it clear? This is what, this is what, this is what. I will just write, I will write here default and I will make it as public. This is like example to you. Here what I am doing, I am increasing the visibility of the method. So that's why I am not getting any error. We can maintain the same visibility or we can increase the visibility. This is the answer. Any doubts in this now? Okay, sir, covariant you said. Wait, I did not come to the actual topic. Actual topic will come now here. Reduce it. Let's get back here. Now observe now. Return type. Now I will talk about what it tell me. Return type. That's very, very important. Point number 3. What is that? Return type of a overridden method. Now you say animal class is returning animal object. Animal class is returning what you tell me? Animal type of object. Example, I will return something. Example, return new animal object. Okay now? Return new animal object. I am great. Sir, I am not understanding. Okay, if you are not understanding means, one second. Animal A is equals to new animal. New animal object I have created now. A is an object, no? Yes, I will return that object A. Now you will understand. If I write everything in single line, it might be difficult. Observe now very carefully. Observe now. If I write int here, int means what it is? It is returning. This method is returning an integer value. Correct or not? Yes. If I write here, okay, now if I write here double, what is the meaning of it now? This method is going to return double value. Any doubts in this now? Okay, good, superb. Now instead of double, if I write string here, what is the meaning of it? It is returning a string value. Very good. Instead of writing string, if I write animal, means it is returning animal type of object. Do you understand now? It will return which type of object? Animal type of object. Is it clear now? So if I want to override it, am I getting already error or not? Yes, we are getting error. Why we are getting error? Because superclass object, whatever the method is there, superclass method is there, return type is what? Animal type. In subclass also you have to maintain the same method signature or not? Yes. So now what you did, you have to write what you tell me, animal here, and return something. Example. Return. Okay, I cannot write directly single line. You may get confused. Animal A is equals to new animal. Okay, now. So now what I will do, I will return A here. Now overriding is happening or not happening? Yes, overriding is happening, but implementations are same. I have written, but don't worry about this. Okay. So now point is very clear. Hey, listen. Return type we have to maintain same. Yes or no? Second time I am asking. Return time we have to maintain same or not in method overriding? Yes. But what I do is down while overriding here I will write subclass type. I will write dog type. I will write what you tell me? Dog type. So here what I do is dog A is equals to new dog, and I am going to return A. Are you getting any error? Are you getting any error? Why you are not getting error? According to our rules, we should get error. Why we should get error, sir? According to our rules. Method overriding में हमने क्या पढ़ाया था? What we have studied? Return type should be same. But in the superclass method is returning which type? Animal type. So in the subclass it is returning which type? Dog type. Do you understand now? So now what is the problem is superclass object is there now. Superclass method return type and subclass. Okay, na? In subclass return type. Very simple. Listen now. Subclass return type. Subclass return type can be, see subclass return type, whatever the return type you are writing here, it can be the subclass of the superclass return type. It can be the subclass of return type of the superclass method implementation. I am not understanding, sir. Very simple. Superclass, this method is there. It is returning which type of an object? Animal type of an object. Can I write here animal? Yes, no problem. Can I write any other subclasses of animal here? Yes. Subclass of animal you can write. Why? Because you can say that dog extends animal. Yes or no? Dog extends animal or not? So they both are same automatically. Upcasting or downcasting will be done implicitly. That is the point here. Means what? Here whatever dog return type is there, that is the subclass of animal. So if you replace the return type, if you replace the return type with subclass types, then there is no problem. Then there is no problem. It is accepted. This behavior only we will call it as covariant return types. Covariant return types. This happens only in the inheritance. Do you understand now? This happens only in the, what you tell me? Inheritance. Superclass whatever here return type is there, and subclass whatever it is returning here, they can return here same class or any other subclass type here. Do you understand now? It is not only of same type. Suppose here, listen, I'll write here, observe now, class A Observe now. Here what I'll write is class A. Okay now. Next here. Class B extends A. Class B extends A. Okay, here we go. Class A extends class B. Animal, observe now. Animal class is a super class, you know it. Inside that, return type, run methods return type is A type. So what I will do is, I will create an object of A. And I will return A. Any problem with this? No. So observe very carefully. Animal is a super class and it is returning which type? A type. Now actually when you are trying to override it, you have to maintain the same method signature or not. So default in the superclass overriding means whatever the method is there, while overriding you have to maintain the same access modifier default. What is the return type of the superclass method implementation? A. So here also you have to maintain what you tell me? A. Then we are going to create an object and we are going to return that. So in the doc place I will write what tell me? Class A, new A object I will create and I will return A. No problem. Why sir? Why there is no problem? Because same return type we are maintaining. Yes or no? But now covariant I will use. What is covariant sir? Instead of returning of the same type, I will use here it's a subclasses. Subclasses I will use. So what is the subclass here? It is B. Okay. Now immediately what I'll do? Return type is what? B. So here what I do is I'll create B, new B of return A. See, is it any problem here? Clear. So covariant return type says that, listen very carefully, superclass is having the method that will be overridden in the subclass. No, that what superclass method return type is there? Return type. That return type same you can maintain, or you can use subclasses of that return type in the overriding process. That's it. Very easy. Did you understand or not understood? Did you understand or not understood? How many of you not understood? No sir. Oh, very good. Nice. Good. Very nice. See. Okay. There is one superclass called vehicle. Okay. There is one more class called, what you tell me? Bike. Bike extends vehicle. Bike extends vehicle. We are talking about overriding. We are talking about overriding points. We are talking about, what you tell me? Overriding points. Okay. Now you say, what is the rule that you have to stick to it in overriding process about return type? Tell me, what is the rule that you have to stick to? Means what rule you have to follow in overriding? Access modifier तो हम same ही use करना है. We should not change the access modifier. Yes or no? Yes. Observe. Very good. Very good. I understand. You are very clear. Okay now. Here you forget about the top two. Here animal is the superclass. Dog is the subclass. If animal is having a example, I am telling you. Okay now. Public example. There is a method called public and it is returning vehicle objects. Vehicle type. It is returning what type? You tell me? Vehicle type. Okay, good. So when you are overriding, you have to override it. How do you override it? What is overriding? Like gullish fellows, how do you override that method? Same access modifier, public, yes sir, public. Can I write private here? Can I write private here? Very good, okay, public. Then what should I write? Return type also should be same. What is return type now? Vehicle only should be there, correct? Very good. Method name should be changed or different? Same or different? Same. Run only have to maintain. So argument can I change? No. Argument also I should not change. So this is what I am going to do something. Yes or no? So compulsory, this is what we have to do. Superclass, whatever it is returning, though, same return type should be maintained in the subclass also. This is what overriding says. Up to here, did you understand? Up to here, did you understand now? The point is, sir, can I change the return type in the subclass? Yes. Overriding rule kya tha? What was the overriding rule? Maintain the same return type. But here the small question is there, can I change the return type? Possible under certain conditions. Yes, you can change the return type in the overriding method, but under some conditions. Sir, can I write, observe now, can I write vehicle, listen, superclass method is returning which type? Vehicle type. So subclass is returning, example I am telling you, book type. No, subclass is returning book type. Can I change the data type? Can I change the return type like this? Actually it is no, absolutely not possible. But there is under some exceptions are there. What is that? You, whatever the return type you are changing here now, book or bike or whatsoever it is, that should be the subclass of the vehicle. Do you understand now? See, suddenly if see, imagine now, I will tell you, there are two different classes. Observe once again, I am telling you. So vehicle is a different class and bike is a different class. What do you tell me? Vehicle is a different class and bike is a different class. There is no inheritance. Class vehicle, that's it. Class bike, that's it. Bike extends vehicle, not there. Bike extends vehicle, not there. Inheritance between vehicle and bike is not there. Can I write bike here? Can I write bike here? No, because return type is changing. Return type is what? Changing. If I say bike extends vehicle, if I say bike extends vehicle, are they related or not? Are they related or not? So inheritance relation is there now. Now we will not get error. Do you understand now? No, for your understanding. Don't know? Still I will tell you. Class A is, I will write it as vehicle. Vehicle. Okay now. Class this B is there now. I will write it as bike extends vehicle. First what I will do? Extension is not there. Sarana? What do you tell me? This extension is not there. Two different classes are there. Two different types are there. Now you observe. Now you observe here. Animal class is returning which type? Vehicle type. Dog is overriding the same method and it is returning what type? Bike type. Will I get error or not? Definitely we will get error. Observe now, we have to return something, so I am going to return like this. Observe now. Return a new vehicle. For your understanding also. Return that object. Return new vehicle. New vehicle means what? Object created, that will be returned. Okay. Now here bike is there. Now I will write return new bike. Return what you tell me? New bike. Here I am returning one bike object. Okay now. So now still are we getting error or not? Why are we getting error? Vehicle and bikes are independent types. There is no relation between them. It applies that Anna. In animal class, whatever the run method is there, it is returning which type? Vehicle type. Dog is returning, you have to override. Correct? You have to override. When you are overriding, you should maintain same return type na? Are you maintaining same return type? That is why you are getting error. The return type, if you observe now here, what is that? The return type is incompatible. So in the while you are doing overriding process, you should maintain same return type. Correct? Are we maintaining same return type here? No. That is the reason we are getting here. This much did you understand? This much did you understand? But now what I do is, I will provide inheritance between these two. Bike extends vehicle. Like this I will do, you see. The moment when I write here this red line, in line number 30 you are getting error now here. That error will be automatically gone, you see. What is that? Bike extends vehicle. Gone automatically? Yes. Why? Now vehicle and bike, they are related. Do you understand now? Observe very carefully. Sir, can I do ulta, reverse? Reverse, is it possible, sir? Here I will write bike and here I will write animal. Is it possible, sir? No. You can change the access modifiers to subclasses, but you cannot change the access modifiers to superclasses. Not possible. Okay. Animal is having, okay, bike, vehicle is there now. Vehicle is having one more superclass, you assume like this, class machine. Okay na, class machine. Imagine vehicle extends machine. What tell me? Vehicle extends machine. Now observe like monkey. Can I change vehicle to bike? Can I change vehicle to bike? Yes. Why? Bike is the subclass of vehicle. Correct? Can I change it to machine? Can I change it to machine? No. Why? Machine is the superclass. You can change non-primitive data type is there. No, non-primitive data type. You can change that. You can change only non-primitive data type. Correct? What is the change you are doing? You can replace with subclass type, not with superclass type. You can maintain the same return type, or you can write subclasses. Can I write superclasses? No, not possible. Did you understand now? How many of you not understood? When a method is getting overridden, if a method is returning a non-primitive data type, then in the overriding process, rule number 1, you have to maintain same return type. Point number 2, can I change it? Yes, you can change, but those should be the subclasses of the what is that? Method signature. Whatever the return type is there, that subclasses you have to write. Can I write superclass of it? No, not possible. Now did you understand now? Second, like gullish fellows. Someone asked, I did not understand, sir. I am explaining now. That fellow only sleeping now. क्या करें हम? क्या डेवलपर बनेगा रे तू? You will ask something. I am explaining. You are sleeping. Gullish fellow. Dead diesel. One minute is higher actually for this. Can I tell once again? Can I tell one minute? You don't want? In overriding, can we change return type? Yes. Only for non-primitive data. Can I change it for primitive data types? No. Sir, many people will get confused. Sir, in here I will write long. Here I will write what? Tell me, int. Long int is smaller than long. No, sir. Can I do this? Absolutely not possible. Changing the return type in the overriding process only for what? Non-primitive data types. Correct? No, non-primitive means what? Whatever the data type that you are changing must be the subclass of the previous return type. If you change it, gone. Sir, can it be a superclass? No, it must be only subclass. Did you understand now? Did you understand now? That's great, that's good. Okay, here we go. This one I will change it to, where you tell me? Vehicle, I will change it to bike. In overriding process, we can change. Tell me, we can change return type for only non-primitive data types. Is it clear now? That's very important. In overriding, return type of a method can be changed to subclass type, but not superclass types. Over. Example. This point only from last half an hour I am teaching you. And those who said not understood, they were sleeping, monkeys. How core Java will complete if you try to understand this for 5 minutes and all? No, it's not 4-5 minutes also. 15 minutes you are taking. हम कब core Java complete करें? पक्का 1 साल हो जाएगा आपको. Did you understand this? Listen now, listen, one more point. Actually, in the beginning of Java versions, this covariant return type was not allowed in Java. Means superclass is returning one particular return type is maintained, means compulsory you have to maintain same type only. That was the rule up to Java 4. From Java 5 onwards this came. Covariant, whatever it is there now, this came from, what you tell me, Java 5 onwards. Why it became like this? It is representing my expression of what to do. I am struggling, I am shouting, I am explaining, and you will say, not understood, sir. My inner feeling, oh, bhai maro mujhe maro. Okay, at least this you understood. Any doubts in this again? Tell me if you have any doubts. Very simple. You read the point. It is very, very easy. It is. In overriding, return type of a method can be changed to subclass type, but not superclass type. That's it. Over. 1 point. Shall we continue now? Shall we continue now? Okay, good, super, done. Logical design patterns in OOPS. Some people, nonsense people, will also call it as has a relationship also. Now, most of the people here in the interview, sir, you said is a or has a should not be used, but I got questions. My question, those questions are prepared by whom? Who prepared those questions? Our institution people only know, and these people, most of them, they don't know that they are not technical terms. They are assuming that see, example, I will call this water bottle as lion. Is it compulsory that everybody has to call this as lion? No, I wanted, I love to call it, so I am calling. This is my personal interest, right? That's it. Logical design patterns and OOPS concept, some people love to call it as a relationship. That's it. It is not a technical term. Is a relation or as a relation is nowhere mentioned in the documents of Oracle. Do you understand now? If anybody is telling is a or has a, means you understand that that fellow don't know standards of coding. However you want, he is just naming those things. Is it clear now? Did you understand? I have told you once again, questions which are created by here, those what your interview questions you are getting now, those I know most of the monkeys, they don't know these things, but still, and they'll say BLC and ELC also, business logic class design and executable class design. That is also for your understanding, they named them. There is no technical terms. You can ask here. So what should I like? Is a relationship. Is a relationship, brother relationship, sister relationship, gullies fellows, affair, all these things they will talk. And relationship are these technical terms provided by Oracle. There you go. See, bandar means one koti only, no? One monkey. Many monkeys. What do you say in Hindi? Many monkeys. Pen, many pen means pens. Like that I want. Kitab means one book. Kitabe means many books. Correct only, no? Like that I want. Bandar means ek koti, monkey. Many. Bandaro. Bandaro, hodaro. Please understand, no, is a and has a are not official Oracle technical terms. They are informal terms. Do you understand now? So, developers, teachers, books, interviews to explain relationship between, but they are not technical terms. You should not use in the interview. But some monkeys, if they use, see, if you are with a monkey, you should behave like a monkey. See, imagine, very simple. If you are going with a trip with 10 fools, you also have to be fool. If you become smart, then you will become fool among the fools. That is the problem. So whole world they are using it as a defined by Oracle people and all. No, they are not. They are not technical terms. You should not use them. Okay, na? If any monkey is using in front of you, think that that fellow don't know standards. So, okay, just for him to make it understand, you can use it as a term also. Okay, done. Is a or has a are not official terms, but they are universally accepted OOPS terminology used to explain inheritance and composition. Not accepted. These monkeys, they don't know. They are not what is that? Oracle terms. Don't use it in the interview. If anybody use it, then you cannot defend like that. Okay, and now you are great. Is a as a only you can tell. So let's get back to here now. That is why to defend such kind of monkeys, I am writing this also. Do you understand now? Logical design patterns in OOPS. There are, this is also called as, what, tell me? Has a relationship. What is this? This is also called as a relationship. Inheritance is also called as is a relationship, but you are not supposed to use it in the interview. You use directly inheritance and you directly use, what, tell me? Logical design patterns in Java. Is it clear now? Okay. There are 3 types. First one. Can anyone tell? Association, aggregation, another one is what? Composition. Composition. So let us talk about one by one. The first one is, what, you tell me? Association. What is that? A object uses another object references or object in it. There is no relation between the two objects. Okay, association means what? A object uses another object in it. There is no relation between the two objects. Do you understand? There will be no exact relation between these two objects, but the one object can use another object inside it. That is called, what, you tell me? Association. Come on, write down these things. These are all very, very important now. Are you writing your notes or not? That is why you will feel sleepy. Monkeys, write something. Don't simply be like this. You will sleep. Okay, you have not brought your notes also. Kill that fellow. Kill him. Maro. Okay. Let's continue with this. Come on, write down everyone notes, grids and all. If you have bought the notes, start writing. Theory it is. Full concept only theory it is. Logical designing. Now you say, for your understanding, I will write like this. Class bank account. Now what I do is, here, class phone pay. Observe now, phone pay uses bank account or not? Without bank account, can you use phone pay? Not possible. So here phone pay uses, what you tell me? Bank account. So in phone pay, I will create an object of bank account. So like this, bank, it's capital. Okay, here we go. Bank account B is equals to new bank account. So here bank sorry, is that phone pay uses phone pay object, you can say phone pay object uses bank account object. And they can exist independent, and they are independent. Okay, this is one example. Association means what? Phone pay uses bank account. See, if you are not understanding, try to get with this. Association is nothing but uses. What did you tell me? Association is nothing but uses. Association is nothing but uses. Okay, if you are still not understanding, one more example I will give you here. You'll get this idea. Observe now. Class Aadhaar card. Class Aadhaar card. Okay now? Now here you see, listen. Next. Class employee. Inside the employee, so employee will have an Aadhaar card or not? Employee will have an Aadhaar card or not? Yes. So now you are going to write like this. What is that? Aadhaar card A is equals to new Aadhaar card. Like this I am going to write it. Here in employee object uses Aadhaar card object in it. These two are the examples for what you tell me? Association property. Association property is what? A class will use another class objects in it. A class will use another class objects in it. That is what? Association. Is it clear now? Association is all about what you tell me? Uses. Aggregation. Next we will go to aggregation. What did I write first here in the aggregation? Okay, association and object uses. Here, an object consists or contains other objects in it. See, here association means what? Uses. Do you understand now? Association means what here it is? Uses. One class will be using other class objects. So, that is one thing. Aggregation means what? An object contains other objects in it. Like, so a class contains students in it. Do you understand now? A library contains books in it. So like that it is. So contains it is. In this content, observe very carefully. Aggregation is nothing but it is a strong consists. Aggregation means what? Weak consists. I will tell you. Weak consist. Composition is nothing but strong consists. Aggregation is nothing but what? Tell me. Weak consists. Composition nothing but strong consists. And association is nothing but uses. So let us take an example of weak consists, that is aggregation example. Design pattern it is. Okay, example. I will design like this. Okay. Hold on, remove. Class book. Class book. And one more thing. Class library. Inside the library, library uses book. Once again, very important. Library uses book or library consists book. Library uses books or library consists books. Library consists books. So library and books is what? Aggregation. If a person goes there and he starts reading the book, okay. So suppose Suresh entered there. Now Suresh entered a library and he is going to use the book or he is going to consist the book. Use the book. So here there is one library. In that library book is there. So library book relation is what? Aggregation. Means library consists books. Okay, na? That is what you tell me. Aggregation relation. Okay, na? Inside the library there is a book. Okay, one user came. Ramesh or Suresh went inside the library. They have to read a book. Will they consist book or will they use book? Use book. Now here the person reader and the book. Reader and the book is what? Association. Reader and the book is what? Association relation. Aggregation means what? Library consists books. Do you understand now? So this is one example for what you tell me. Aggregation type. Weak consist type it is. Okay na? Library. In the class library, I will use books. I will create a list of books. For your understanding, list and all future topic. You don't have to worry. List is a future topic. List means what? It is a continuous collection of different book objects. Like that here it is. I'll write like this. List. List of which type it is? List of which type it is? Book type only. Okay. Now list L is equals to new array list. Like this. Now here what happens? Library uses book or library consists book? Library consists book. Is it clear now? That is very, very important here it is. Okay. Now here it is. Library library, spelling, okay. Library consists book objects. Library consists book objects, yet they can be independent. Yes. So without library, can book exist? Yes. Without books, can library exist? Like newspaper, magazine and all, of course. It is possible. There is an empty library. There are no books inside it. That is also no problem. Okay, now here it is. Okay, that will not exist. My question is, can book exist without library or not? That's what my point. Yes, book can exist without library also. So yet they can be independently exist. Okay, now. So library consists book correcta or library uses book correcta? Library uses book means it is going to become what? It is going to become what? Association. But it is wrong. Okay. Library consists book objects, yet they are independent. This is correct. Okay, good. Superb. Done. So we have to move to the last one. What do you tell me? Composition. So here it is strong consists. Strong consists. An object uses other object in it and they are strongly dependent. They are strongly dependent. Example. Okay, listen now. Example. Class engine and class car. They are absolutely dependent. Do you understand now? They are strongly dependent. So engine cannot stay outside the car, or human being and heart. Heart must be there in the human body or not? Can you keep it heart outside now? Not possible. Otherwise this fellow will die. Very clear now. So composition state says that there will be a strong dependency between the two types of the objects. An object uses another object in it, but if one object dies, it will affect the other object also. They are strongly independent. Example, engine and car. Okay, now inside the car we will be having engine object. So I have to say car consists engine. Do you understand now? Which is more suitable? Car consists engine or car uses engine? Consists engine. Uses means what? Engine is outside somewhere on the other side of the road. There is one pipe connection, so that car will use that engine. That is different. Consists is engine. Do you understand now what I am saying? Car uses engine means what? User is, like engine is somewhere kept there, car is here, so car is going to use the engine and it will run. It is kept aside or is it there inside? It is there inside the car, right? So that is what it is, a logical way of thinking, design pattern it is. Okay, that is what. So car consists engine. Is it a strong consistency? Can you drive a car without engine? So compulsory. Can car exist without engine? Not possible. Can car exist without engine? Not possible. That is it. And one more example if you want, means example 2. You can take this example. What is that? Class heart and class human. In human, Pakka, what will be there? Heart type will be there. Heart A. Or if you are not understanding engine here, like right. So now, heart can he exist without, human can he exist without heart? No, they are strong dependent. So can car exist without engine? No, they are strongly dependent, one inside the other. Is it clear now? This is what all about, what it will mean? Association, aggregation and composition design. Listen now once again. Association means what? Uses. One object uses other objects. Do you understand now what I am saying here? Aggregation means what? Consists. One object consists another object, but that is weak consistent is aggregation. Strong consistent is called, what you tell me? Composition. Is it clear now? So this you are going to remember. In interview they may ask these points. What is aggregation? What is association? And what is composition? So like this and all they may ask. So to make you understand this topic, I created one separate question so that you will understand this. Okay, now we will solve that question now. There is a program which has all the three things. Association is there, aggregation is there, as well as composition is also there. How it is? That is what we are going to see now. Everyone first observe. I will be doing it, and if you get any doubts you can ask me. Part 2. Inside that I have to start polymorphism. Inside that first association has a like. And before this, yeah, correct. At right time I got this one. See again here, few people will ask different relations and all. Different relations means what? 4 possible relations are there. What are those? You know? Possible relations in design are one to one relation. First one is what? One to one relation. Second one is what? One to many relation. Third one is what? Many to one relation. Last fourth option is what? You tell me? Many to many relation. Okay. One to one relation. Okay, one to one relation you can go like this. What is that one to one relation? Man and Aadhaar card. What? Why are you telling? One man will have one Aadhaar card. One Aadhaar card will represent only one man. That's it. Is it clear now? So you can say that man and voter ID. One voter ID will represent only one man, and one man will represent only one voter ID. That is what one to one relation. Do you understand now? That is what man and Aadhaar card, like this example. Okay now. So one to many relation means what? Teacher, students. So one teacher, many students, or like one library, many books. Is it clear now? Like this. Do you understand now? So this is what you tell me. One to many relation. See, in teacher class there is a list of students. There is a list of student objects. That is one to many relation. So in one library class there are many books. So in one library class there are many books. In library class there is a list of books. So one to many connection. What is that relation now? And one more is there. What is that? Department and students. So in one department there are many students. Mechanical department. I have designed one class called class department. So there will be many students in the department or not? 50 students, 100 students, 200 students. That is how it goes. So now one to many relation means what? Teacher, many students. Library, many books. Department, many students. That is what? One to one relation means what? Man, Aadhaar card, or a man, voter ID. That one to one relation will be there. Is it clear now? That's what. Now here one to one relation is what? One car, one engine. one car and one engine, like that it is going to be. Example. So many to one relation is ulta. For many students, only one class teacher. Do you understand? Or for many books, there is only one library. Yes or no? Like that. Or another one, for many students, so only one mechanical department. Inside that, many people are there, many students are there. What is that? Department. Like this. Do you understand? Many to one relation. Okay. Many to many relation. Can you tell me any answers like this? Students and courses example you can take. What is that? Students and courses. So in one course many students are available. One student can go for many courses. Front end course, back end course, database course, like that and all. Is it clear now? So one student can apply for multiple courses, and in one course there can be many students also. Do you understand what I am saying here? And you can go for subject and student concept also. If I create a student class, there are many subjects available. If I create a subject like class mathematics, so there are many students those who apply for maths class. Like that here many to many relationship also will come. These are all the examples. Let's get back to our program. Here we go. I was talking about the same thing. One to one relation. Here you see one to one relation. Aadhaar card is there. Person uses Aadhaar card. One to one relation. One person, one Aadhaar card. Okay, one Aadhaar card, one person. This is what? One to one relation. Real time examples you can say. Person Aadhaar card. Student roll number. One student will have one roll number. So one roll number will represent only one student. So one user will have only one mail ID. So one mail ID represents only one user. That is what? One to one. One to many means what? Student and department. Student and department. Just now I have told you now. One department can have many students, like that. One teacher can have many students. One company can many employees. One library have many books. This is what? One to many. So many to one. I have told you department and student. That is the example. Now here it is. One department can have many students. That is the ulta. One. Where did I say? Okay. One department can have many students. What was the next one? Many to one. Okay. Ulta. Many students can have one common department. Many students can have one common teacher. Many employees can have one common company. And many books are present in one library. Many to one, one to many. Last one is what? Many to many type of relation also will come. What is that? Student and courses, as I have told you. In one course there can be many students also. In one, a student can apply for many courses also. That is what here it is. So weak has a relation. Aggregation is all about all these things. So this note separately I have done. I can give it to you, but same thing I have written in the note. So don't have to worry. So association means what? Users. Aggregation means what? Consists of. Composition is nothing but strong consists of. Okay. Now. Okay. I have created one program. Where did I go now? Okay. I will tell you that one. This difference and all I will give you. You don't have to worry. Question I will give you. Come on. This is the requirement for us. Case study. Design a banking and payment system. There are two systems. One is a banking system. Another one is what? Payment system. Separately you have to design this. Ready now? Shall we start doing this one? Here I will be. This is a design pattern I told you. Here I will be using aggregation also. Here I will be using composition also. And here I will be using association also. All the three. We have to design this program. Are you guys ready now? Okay, let's get back to this now. Okay, we will start writing here. New class. Okay, let us design. Let us try to understand this. How many systems are there here? How many systems are there? Two systems are there. Banking system is different, and another one is what? Payment system is different. Okay. Now let us try to design this. Design level. What is that? Design a Java application that simulates banking system and a payment system. Payment system is like Phone Pay, Google Pay, or anything, and which will demonstrate association, aggregation, as well as composition. Okay, let us do that. Don't worry. So we are going to do this one. What is that? System overview. System. First system we are going to deal now. First, what is that first system? Banking system we will cover now. First banking system, then we will go for what is that? Another one? Payment system. Designing. Observe now. Designing, very very important. The banking system should manage bank accounts, customers, as well as bank also. Okay, no problem. So we are going to go for system 2. In that payment system, in payment system what should happen? Interact with other banking systems. There are two systems. Payment system will interact with bank system. So they are going to use, see here, Phone Pay will use bank account. So that is called association. With this you will understand now. Okay, slowly. Perform transactions like money transfer and all, you will be doing it. So let us design now. Ready a part 1 class design? Okay, try to understand one by one. I'll write. Create a class called bank. Okay, so I'll write here it is. I have created a class called bank account. Are you ready now? Perfect, superb, done. Inside that variable balance. Okay, come on, help me now. Double balance. Then what they have given? Should initialize the constructor, should initialize the balance. Come on, constructor. Public bank account double balance. Inside this dot balance, this dot balance is equals to balance. Okay, this is clear now. Did you understand this much? Very good. Constructor done. Methods. Deposit amount to be, what is that? Add that amount to balance and print deposited whatever the amount. Okay, good, I'll do it. Come on, let us write this one. Deposit method, public void deposit. It should take some amount, correct? Okay, good. So if anybody tries to deposit the value, I have to add this money to balance. What is that? This dot balance is equals to, or I can directly use balance also, no problem. What is that? Balance is equals to balance plus amount, correct or not? Whatever the amount they are depositing, that should be added to balance. Now I am going to write like this: system.out.println. What we have to print? Deposited some amount. Okay, deposited, okay now, plus amount. Whatever the amount is there, that is deposited. So deposit method also I have written. Another one is what? Withdraw method. Amount. Deduct the amount from the balance and withdrawn amount should be printed. Same like this. What I do is copy, I will paste it here. Method name is what? Withdraw method amount. Correct it is. Balance is equals to balance minus amount. So it is not deposited, it is withdrawn amount. Okay. Withdraw method also I have created. Get balance. Return current balance. Return current balance. Also then I will make it as private only, no? Private, no problem. Then I will return get balance. Public. Balance is which type? Double type. Then it is get balance. Return. Any doubts in this bank account design? Any doubts in the bank account design? Okay, good. So let's continue next. Next, what is the question here they are using? Customer. So now here it comes, what it tell me? Composition. Do you understand now what is this and all? Because customer will be using bank account inside him. Do you understand what I'm saying here? It is now customer object should have bank account object inside him or not? Yes. So now the point is very clear. If customer doesn't have bank account, he is not at all a customer. Do you understand now? If you are not having a bank account, then you are not a customer only. You are just like a normal person. So it is internally linked. What is that? Customer strongly consists bank account. Do you understand now? Customer strongly consists what? Bank account. If bank account is not there, then what's the meaning of it? He is not at all a customer. So compulsory customer has to have bank account with him. Otherwise you cannot do payment and all. So I am telling that I am a customer, I want to transfer the money, but I don't have bank account. Is it acceptable? Is it logically correct? I am a customer, I will, hey, give me 500. Hey, I will phone pay you. Do you have bank account? Bank account not there, but I will phone pay you. Will you accept it? Say, when I say I am customer, I should have a bank account now. Without bank account, can customer exist? No. Without heart, a human body exist? No. Same logic. Someone is sleeping. Listen. It is pure logical thinking. Again, what? See, one strong reason you have. Sir, YouTube में videos है. अगर class में ने, what do you say? If I sleep also, database YouTube में मुझे मिल जाएगा. That is why you are sleeping in the class. Today's class I will not upload. See, I will upload, then आपको समझ में आएगा क्या होता. Composition, did you understand everyone? I will clearly tell you the logic. I have to give you 500 rupees. You told me, give me 500. Then I will say, phone पे कर दूंगा. क्या आपके पास अकाउंट, बैंक अकाउंट है क्या? बैंक अकाउंट नहीं है, फिर भी मैं डिपॉजिट कर दूंगा आपको आपके अकाउंट में. Will you believe it? ले Buffalo, if you want to use phone pay, you should be a customer. If you are a customer means you have to have a bank account in you, no? Then how it is possible? So can a customer exist without a bank account? He is no more a customer, he is a common man. Okay, that is a problem. So here it is composed. Observe now. Let us write this. The class called, what you tell me? Customer. Okay, let us design class customer. Customer. Okay, come on. Here we go. Name variables means I will remember the spelling. Name and he will have a bank account. Observe now. Public. Name is which type? String type. Any doubts in this? Very good. Now again, public bank account. Observe now. Bank account. Like he will have a bank. Here it is. Bank account. He will have an account. So account is what? See, observe now. It should be of which type of an object? Bank account type of an object. He has two things with him. One is name variable. Actually, name is a string object. Again, it is. Name is what? It is a string object. That in future you'll understand. So customer should have name with him. A customer should have account with him. Without account, he is not a customer only. This is what called composition. Do you understand now? Did you understand now? Okay, let's continue this one. So we have to have important role. Account must be created inside the customer class. Do not pass account from outside. Okay, I have to create this account, right? In the constructor I will create. In the constructor I will create. So I don't have to worry about this. 1 second, I'll see. What is this constructor says? Accept the name. Read the name from user. Correct? I will do it, no problem. Internally create a bank account where inside the constructor object with the default balance is 1000. Correct now? Okay, do. Listen now. We should have a constructor. Yes or no? You tell me, I will type. Public customer. What very clearly mentioned? Accept name. Tell me now. String name. Inside this, what you have to do now? Read. Internally create a bank account. Okay, let me create a bank account now. Bank account ACC is equals to. Already I have here now bank account. So that only I will use now. I will not create one more object. Already here it is there now. This dot account Anyhow, you know already what you have to write. This dot name is equals to name. Yes or no? Like that, this dot account is equals to new object you have to create, bank account with default deposit is what? 1000. Clear now? So now I satisfied the condition. What the question says? Constructor accept the name, internally create a bank account object with default balance example 1000. Okay, I can ask from user also, no? Can we modify the program little bit high level? We are creating the account with minimum balance, sorry, default value, what is that? 1000. We will read that from user only, no? We will read that from user only, no? Better. That is easy only. How it can be done? Comma, double, what is that you tell me? Balance. I will create an object with balance only. Is it clear now? I will create it. It is like user has to give Ramesh 4000 rupees. So in Ramesh account 4000 is there. Okay na? Suresh 10,000 rupees. So Suresh is having 10,000 in his account. Like that. I want to read from user only. I can give directly 1000 rupees for everyone. But I want to little bit modify it. A little bit higher level will go. Methods. Get account. What it should return? See. That's very very important. What it should return? It should return an account. Okay, come on, help me now. Public. Return type is what? What are you returning? Account you are returning. What's the data type of account? Bank account. So you have to return here bank account. What is that? Get account. So it should return what? Account. See, it is returning account. What is the data type of account? Bank type. So I have changed the void with the return type bank account. Superb. This is also done or not done? Okay, this is also done. Get name is also there. Come on, tell me now. Public string get name. What it should return? Return. Okay, good. Superb. Done or not done? Okay, one more class. How many is there? Bank aggregation. So now bank consists customers or not? Bank consists customers or not? Bank uses customers. Bank consists customers. Bank consists customers or bank uses customers? Consist. Bank consists you or the customers. Is it clear now? So let us write like this. This is what? Aggregation. Means what? Inside the bank class, what I will do? I will create a list of customers. I will create what it tell me? List of customers. Okay, come on. Sir, what is list? It is a collection topic, but to understand this topic, I will use collection now. List. It is not so difficult. It is dead easy. Collection. List is a very easy. You will not get doubts to understand here. So let's get back now. Class bank. Come on, design now. How big it is? Bank. Class bank. What bank should have? Come on, tell me. Variables. It should have a collection. That is what? List. Okay. Public. I will make it as public only. List. List which one? Customers. Customer type only, na? So customer type. Name is customers. So now what I have done? I have created. See. Normal variable means only one memory. List means many customer objects I can store. That's it, simple. List of customer objects. That's it, very simple. You don't have to think too much. How list is created, what is that handle in collections I will teach you. Don't too much worry about this. Simple. What is this? It is a list created. What list contains? It contains customer objects. What list contains? List contains customer objects. What is the list name? Customers. What is the list name? Customers. It is like what you know. Simple here it is. It is like int array a. What is this now? It is an array. Correct? Which array? What type of array? Integer array. What is the name of the array? A. Same like that here also. It's not so difficult. What we are creating? List we are creating. What type of the list it will contain? Only customer objects. What is the name of the list? Customer. You can give any name to this list. You can give Prabhas also. No problem. Prabhas also. What is the name of this list? Prabhas. So you don't have to do like this. As of now, we'll go with the same thing. Customers is the name of the list. Okay, done. What they are saying in constructor, accept a list of customers from outside. In constructor, it has to means what? It has to initialize it. Assign it to the variable. This is the variable or not? Customers is a variable. Which type of variable? It is a list type of variable. So how do you initialize? How do you initialize it? Using constructor. I can auto generate constructor, but I will not do it. Okay. Public bank. Okay, now come on. What's the type here? What is the reading type? List data type. List data type of customers. Customer type, and that it should use one second. Same only. See you no. Come on, help me now. Here inside that this dot customers is equals to this dot customers is equals to customers. This dot name is equals to name. This dot age is equals to age. This dot customers is equals to customers. What is that customers? It is a list we are initializing. That's it. Don't think too much. It is very simple. Try to understand this. Okay. Here, what bank contains? Bank consists customers. This is what aggregation. Do you understand now? Previously, I told you what? Composition. Composition means what? Customer strongly consists bank account. If I don't have a bank account, I am not a customer anymore. So compulsory, mandatory. If heart is not there, I will not live. So I am strongly depending on my heart. Same like that. Customers are strongly depending on account. If I don't have an account, how can I call myself as an customer? Do you understand now? See, I will say that I am the customer of Instagram. Do you have Instagram account? Instagram account is not there, but still I am a customer of Instagram. Will you accept it? No? Do you understand now? That is the point. So here, bank consists customers or bank uses customers? Consist. Consist means what? Aggregation it is. Do you understand now? What is that? Aggregation. So this much is clear. Let us see. Methods. Get customers. It should return the list of customers. Can you tell me now? Come on, help me. Public. Return type is what? Return type is what? List. List of which type? Customers. Customers type only. Customer type only. So what is the name? Get customers. Come on, come on, come on. I know time is consuming more, but we have to write it. Customers. Get customers. Return what? Return what? Customers you are going to return. So this is the method. Get customers. It will return that list. Okay, good. Next. Important rule. What? Customers must be created outside the bank class. I will create it outside. It will directly accept. That's it. I am not creating any customers here. Have you ever seen anywhere I use new customer? New customer. Customer C is equals to new customer. Am I creating inside here? No. So customers are created outside only. Then they are added into list and I will pass list to the bank. It is like, see, you are running a SBI bank. I will give you one list. Hey, these are the customers. Take the list. Yes or no? That list I will give you, no? The same list is this one only. Bank will have a list of customers. That is what this. Consist, customers. So it is aggregation. This much is it clear? Anything did we miss? No. Oh, yeah, one more class is there. Association. Okay, association. Let's go back here. Listen, we have two systems. One is what? Bank account system. Another one is what? Payment system. Out of these two, we are there in the first system only. We are there in the first system only. Come on, help me fast. We have to do it. Class what? Phone pay spelling P na P A Y. P E only na or P A Y. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Make it quick. Help me fast. Class. Phone pay inside the phone. What is that? You should have a bank account. See, I want to use phone pay, but I don't have bank account. Possible or no? Not possible. So this is also clear. Now phone pay uses bank account. Correct or no? So if I do not have SBI bank account, no problem. I will be using HDFC bank account. If HDFC bank account is not there, means I will be using ICICI bank account. So now here, phone pay uses bank account or not? Phone pay uses bank account to transfer the money or not? So that uses means what? Association. Phone pay uses bank account to transfer the money to you. So that is the reason phone pay and bank, they consist, which concept here it is? Association concept. Okay, here I have told you association, but still constructor. Accept a bank object from outside. Oh yo, I should have a bank object now here. Public bank type. So I will have a bank here. I have to write constructor for it. Public phone pay. Which type it is? Bank. Here it is. This dot bank is equals to bank. Okay, good. So phone pay is using a bank to transfer the money. Phone pay is using use means what? Association. Do you understand now? Phone pay is using bank to transfer the money. Association. Okay, methods. Transfer method. Oh, 1 second. Transfer method should take one customer inside him and he should have amount. So what it should print? Using phone pay, call withdraw method from the customer's account. Okay. In this particular customer's account, this much amount is deducted. In phone pay, I have two accounts. Can we have two accounts or not? In phone pay, I have SBI account also. I have example Karnataka bank account also. Now I should select SBI account customer. I am an SBI account customer. From here, I want to pay 500 rupees. Or I am Karnataka bank customer. Then from here, I want to send 20,000 rupees money. So I should select which customer I am. Am I the customer of? Do you understand? Phone pay have you used or not used? When you click on check balance, will you show your different accounts or not? One account in Google, what is that? SBI. Another account in Karnataka bank, another account in Maharashtra bank or Bengal bank, whatsoever it is. Will you get or not? Those are all what? You have to select account, which type of customer you are. If I say I am a Karnataka bank customer, from that account money will be deducted. If I select I am a SBI customer, so from SBI account the amount will be deducted. So that is what they are telling. This is absolutely design level. Okay, let us write this one. Transfer. Okay, let us design. This is how what you are seeing here now. This is what high level of designing. This is what your TL will give to you. You should able to design this. If you can able to design, you are another level. Okay, let's continue. Can I do it? I will try. Come on, transfer. Public void or return type? No return type. Okay, print it is there. Print it is there. How I identified void? How I identified void? How I identified void? Print is there. Print is. I am printing something. So I am not returning anything. Okay. It should. What is the method name? Transfer money from particular account. Transfer. Alright, it is taking a lot of time. 5:35. Another 10 minutes is the target. Tell me now. Customer C, comma, from the customer C, a double amount. How much I have to send? Double amount. Okay, good. So in this, print using phone pay. Okay, I will do exactly what you said. Using phone pay. Data, 3 data? 3 dot. Okay. Call withdraw method from the customer's account. Now you see where is withdraw? Where is withdraw method? See. Where is withdraw? It is in the bank account. Correct? So now observe now how you can call withdraw. How you can call withdraw here? You should have bank account. But do you have bank account? No. But you know that customer contains bank account. Yeah, you are not understanding. I am the customer, I will contains bank account or not. So you should approach me, I will show you what bank account. In that bank account you have to transfer the money, na? So I will tell you, hey, transfer the money. You will think SBI account is there, Karnataka bank also there. From which bank I have to transfer? Yes or no? That is what here. So how do you call now? Customer, you have to call from where? Customer. So I will write properly, you will so that understand. Okay, C only, let it be there. Or customer. Customer I will name it, no problem. From the customer dot get bank account. I have to, what you tell me? Get account. Yes or no? I have to get account. In that account, customer was having account. From there I have to call what? Deposit or withdraw, na? Withdraw is it? Withdraw of how much amount? I don't know whatever the amount is that I am going to call. This much high level of designing, will you understand or not? I don't know. But it is easy. If you don't understand this, you will never understand what is association, what is aggregation, and what is composition. You take your whole 2 hours of time to understand this. Okay, not today? Okay. We are there in the first subsystem only. Okay, come on. Turn. Part 2. Part 2 started. How many? Hey, this is what part 2, I think. Phone pay itself is part 2 only, no? Designing is done very good then. Part 2, main method implementation. Come on, let us do it. About to over now. Main method implementation. Create at least 2 customers. Okay, I will get back to main method. Okay, get back to main method. Tell me. 1 second. Code. 0 pass. Okay, 0 pass हो रहा है क्या? Sorry, thank you. Amount it is. Double amount. Is it int amount did I declare? I have to change it then int. What is the return type here? What is the question there? According to question I will do it. Double only means which method it is? In the withdraw method I have to make it as double. Here it is integer. No, this I will change it to double. Then here also I will change it to double. Then better. Why I should get it? Okay, everything is done. Main method implementation. Let me write main method now here. Okay, I have to class. Give me. Main class. I will rename the file. Don't worry. Main class. Rename. Right click. Refactor. Here. Then rename. Main class. No. Main class. Finish. Now this was, what was the name of this? Bank account only, no? Here also it is changed. Oh, every code is it changed? Control Z. Not possible. I have to change everything now. Come on, help me. Check. Bank account. Then here also it is what? Bank account. Public I should not be making it public. I should make it as class, and this should be public. Anywhere error we have? Main class is there. This should be changed to bank account. Here also. Another C. Bank account. Here also bank. 1 second. Bank. I have to write everywhere now. I copy paste only. I have to do it. Copy it. Anywhere error here. Anywhere error. Okay, we will say bank account is ready. Main class, inside that main method we have to have create at least 2 customers. Come on, create customers now. Customer C1 is equals to new customer. Okay, now just give me a minute. customer string name and double balance. So first fellow is Ravi and he is having 5000 rupees in his account. Correct? Sare. Then custom full chill, copy pasted. Customer C2, new customer is what? Suma, and she has 10,000 in her account. Sir, two customers are created. Step 2, store them inside the list. Sir, बहुत difficult sir. Very simple. You have to just create a list and store these two. Very easy. How to create and store is very simple. See, list, which type? Which type? Customer type. Name is what? I will write. Customers is the list name, is equals to new what is that? New array list I will use. Array list I will use. Array list of that's it. Okay, now Control Shift O. Customer. See, you are here. Anything local variable only. No problem. Okay. List is created. I have to add C1 and C to it. Very simple. Customers dot add of C1. This is how we have to add to the list. Very easy to understand. And you have to add one more customer to the same list. What do you do it? Once again, customers dot add of C2 also. So two customers have created and I have added to the list of customers. More than 2 or more they have told, but I am doing only 2. If you are having enough time, you create more and all. Don't worry too much about what is list. It is a collection concept. Now you just have to understand there is one list, inside that 2 customers are there. That's it, simple. So next what we have to do, third step, create a bank account using that list. Okay, list is already there. With this I will create a bank account. Bank account B is equals to bank account of bank. Create a bank object. Na? Okay, that's what I'm thinking. Bank bank is equals to new bank and I have to pass the list of customers. That is whatever the customers is there I am passing. Step 4, create PhonePe object using bank. Okay, PhonePe object P is equals to new PhonePe object. I have to pass bank as argument. Okay, everything is fine, fantastic. Step 5, perform a transaction. What is the transaction we have to do? Withdraw money using PhonePe. Okay, come on. How to do withdraw money from PhonePe? P dot get bank account. P dot withdraw method is anyhow not there here. So withdraw method is where it is present. Withdraw method is there in bank account. So I have to go to account now. So P dot in PhonePe. How to get account? Where is PhonePe? PhonePe transfer. I have to call transfer method and I have to pass the customer also. Okay. Customer, I have to call transfer method, no? Okay. P dot transfer. Customer, I will pass C1 and how much money he wants to transfer. C1 is having how much money? 5,000, no? 2,000 he will transfer. P1 transfer 2,000. Then what we have to do? Withdraw money using PhonePe. Money withdraw using PhonePe and all. Okay. Step 2. Print updated balance. How to get print update balance? P dot get balance. Do we have? System dot out dot println. Get balance, where it is there? Bank account. So bank account is held with customer. Oh. P dot get customer. No. 1 second. Balance is there in bank account. Bank account is there in customer. In PhonePe, do we have bank here? customer dot, no, we have to have what? Print updated balance. I can write one more method here and I can directly call it withdraw money using updated balance. Where did we update balance? Here it is. In the bank account. Come on, help me now. Public double get balance return customer we are not passing, no? Okay, print updated balance here only. Sorry. Here only we have to print. System.out.println updated balance. Oh, little bit high level of logical thinking is there. If you go small here and there, problem. So updated balance is what? Customer dot get account dot get balance. In the customer you have to get his account. Inside the account you have to get what is the balance of that particular account. Yes or no? Suppose how do you check balance in your phone pay? First you have to select the account, whose account it is. In your account, which bank you have to select. Inside that bank you have to check for balance. Yes or no? So that is what the point here it is. Oh, very good, fantastic it is. Absolutely real level it is again. So I don't want to write print text. Transfer if I call means automatically I will get it. So let us run the program. 1000 errors we will get now. Using phone pay withdrawn 2000, remaining is what? 3000. Correct now? So now I will complete the topic very easy. Association means what? Phone pay uses bank. See now phone pay is just using the bank, it is not a part of it. Okay. So next interaction only, two systems and all. Okay. Association means what? Users relationship, I have all told you. Aggregation means what? Bank consists customers. Aggregation means what? Bank consists customers. So bank consists of customers, but customers are created outside the bank. Okay, done. Whole part independent objects. Okay, now. So aggregation is nothing but has a with a independent life cycle or a weak consists. Composition, customer consists account. This is what? Strong. If account is not there, that fellow is not at all called customer. An account is created inside the customer, strong dependency will be there. Okay. Now last point. Phone pay bank association, nothing but phone pay uses bank. So bank consists customer, so it is aggregation. Customer consists, strong consists, that is what? Account, that is what? Composition. So program I have written, a question is there here. In this file only what I will do is I will copy paste it and I will share the notes today in the Google Classroom. Is it clear now? Today spend your own time. This is full completely logic building level. You will not understand very easily. And in the interview will they give this kind of questions? No. In the interview they will not give this kind of questions. Please observe now. And point is very clear. Here in the Saturday test, you can expect anything. You can expect even trigonometry question also. Be very careful. Integration differentiation question also you may get in the Saturday test and all. This Saturday you don't have test. Don't worry, I am telling you. Saturday test. Saturday test I am telling you. Because these questions are created by these people only now. So they can give any type of question. So you should be ready with this. Okay. This question whatever I am giving now, I will give it to you. Similar kind of questions tomorrow in lab you have to do it. How many questions you want in lab? Like this. How many questions you want? One question or two or three? I will give you three. 3 or 2? Oh, sorry. Point is what? When I click on that topic, automatically you will get 5 coding questions. You have to do 5 coding questions. There is no other go. आप बच नहीं पाओगे. Come on, okay. Do it later. This code and all I will be giving it to you. Okay, now? Done. Bye bye. Take care. Have a great time.